7 smart ways to unlock. 1 powerful Godrej digital lock. Presented by Secure Home Solutions, Chennai. 360 degrees fingerprint. Highly secure access control by recognizing fingerprints and eliminating risk of unauthorized entry. Passcode. Create strong, nearly unbreakable passwords with scrambled codes. Mobile Bluetooth. Easily unlocks the door via Bluetooth with the Godrej Smart Locks app. RFID card. Offers enhanced security, as these cards are encrypted and secured cards are encrypted and secured which cannot be duplicated. Mechanical override. EXS technology offers high level of mechanical security strength. Mobile NFC. Allows hassle-free access control, eliminating need for physical keys or cards. No worries to remember passcode or recognize fingerprint. Remote operation over Wi-Fi. Unlock and monitor access history worldwide with added safety. Emergency power supply via Type-C cable plus power bank. One of the standout features of the Godrej Advantis digital lock is its emergency power support, designed to ensure you're never locked out due to battery failure. Let's explore the powerful smart features that make this digital lock truly intelligent. Create a one-time password through your app for secure guest access. Generate time-based pins for service staff or one-day visitors. Enable privacy mode to block all access, except master override. Need free flow access? Turn on passage mode for parties or functions. Get alerts after multiple wrong attempts. Prank-proof security. No power? Just connect a Type-C cable for emergency access. Keep track of every unlock, right from your phone. Setup is simple with voice-guided steps in multiple languages. Get notified instantly in case of tampering or break-in attempts. Built-in doorbell alerts you when someone's at the door. All these features, one powerful lock. Only with Godrej Advantis plus see-through VDP, integrated by Secure Home Solutions. Secure your home the smart way with Secure Home Solutions. Your key to peace of mind. Visit us at www.infocussecurity.solutions.com or drop by at door number 103, Pamal Main Road, Chennai, opposite CSI Church. Call us today at 99529-67680 or any of our support lines to book a demo. We're here to make your home safer, smarter, and more secure.